Hi everyone, I'm Mars from Hub and Oak Realty and I specialize in luxury properties of South Delhi. Today we are in GK1. We are showcasing a 300 square yard floor and you can see the outer facade. It's a new height and really nice color theme being used outside also. I haven't seen this kind of color theme used before, and it's right opposite to a park as well, so it's a huge park that you get right outside. Also, we'll be showcasing a middle floor today that is available for sale, so you'll have a really amazing view from the balcony, so you should wait and watch for that. So plenty of parking space. You'll be getting 2 car parkings. You can park each floor for each floor. There's still a little work going on 2 of the floors. Over here you get your staircase and the lift area, plus that is a separate entry for the basement at the back. And these staircases are equipped with automatic lights also, so as you walk up these will light up on their own. So this is the entrance to the 300 square yard floor that we are showcasing right now, and just as you enter through this huge door just behind you, you enter right into the living and the dining area of this property, which is really, I would say, it's good amount of space that the builder has given in this property. And you actually get a huge lounge area over this side, a dining area separately, or you can have your dining area set up this side or a lounge area set up near the balcony side, because that is also much closer to the kitchen, because the kitchen is over here that I'll show you later. And you get really nice ceiling work done over here, and the lighting is really nice. If I switch off the lights also, there's so much of natural light coming in, and it's almost around 4:30 right now, and there's still ample of sunlight, ample of natural light coming in. Plus the air ventilation is really nice because it's open at the back also. There's a service line at the back side, and at the front you get huge balcony cutouts over here also, and in the guest room as well. So if I talk about this area, you get 3 split air conditioners over here, because again, as I told you, it's a huge space. And you get 3 fans as well for separate sitting areas. This area, I said, you can have a setup of a dining area setup over this side also, plus a lounge area setup as well. So it's up to you. And this is the entrance to the balcony. You get a mosquito net as well. So just as you come outside in the balcony, you get a beautiful view of the park right in front of the property. And we have been getting a lot of demand of park facing properties right now, because people are like, if you have a property right in front, you have a privacy issue. People are having that. You get a little bit of privacy issue in that sense. And you get a washing area here as well, and you get proper lightings just above you in the ceiling. I really like this windows, or the doors that the window kind of doors that the builder has given here. So if you look at it from the outside down below, it looks like a huge single window. Let's see the first bedroom, that is the guest room. Over here also similar kind of ceiling work you'll find that the builder has given, ample of natural light coming in, plus you have a similar entry to the balcony just as in the living room. You get a VRV air conditioner here above me, and this is the attached washroom that you'll be getting here. And right as you enter, there's a shower cubicle at the end and a WC, and here's the wash basin with a really nice shaped mirror over here, and your one vanity space. Plus behind the gate there's a wardrobe the builder has given, so it comes with automatic lightings as well, and plenty of space in the wardrobe as well. Let's see the kitchen. So the entry of the kitchen, it comes with a sliding glass door and plenty of space in the kitchen also to walk around, and you get a U-shaped slab over here, your counter, sorry, and it is really nice, really well done up kitchen. I really like the white color theme of this kitchen. Plus you get plenty of storage down below as well, and you get plenty of shelves above the countertop also. Over here you have your microwave and the oven that has already been fit in, and your 4 burner gas stove already fit in, and your chimney is already there. So there's plenty of storage that you can see everywhere. This is the drainage area. You get your sink here, and again more storage. Plus your refrigerator areas over this side. So there's a huge space provided. Let's see the other 3 bedrooms at the back, and the powder room also. This is the powder room. You get your WC and the wash basin area, plus there's a shaft as well. Really nice wall work has been done in the powder room also. As you come here in the foyer area, you get a wooden ceiling work done here above you. And this area is also very well lit up, plus there's natural light coming in from the back also. So this is the 2nd bedroom. So there's still the flooring work is yet to be done in this bedroom. So this bedroom is getting the wooden flooring by the builder, and you get plenty of wardrobes here on this wall. So there's 4 wardrobes that you'll be getting, all of them coming with automatic lightings inside. So plenty of storage here. Really nice false ceiling work has been done. And there's the split air conditioner that you get, plus there's a shaft for ventilation here also. And this is the attached washroom that you'll be getting in this room. So just as you enter, you get your wash basin area with the mirror, and on the right hand side behind the gate you get the shower area. Here's the 3rd bedroom. So it is also quite spacious, this bedroom. This is not the master bedroom. The master bedroom I'll show you at the end. And again plenty of natural light coming inside. Really nice false ceiling work matching that of the other bedrooms and the living area. Plus you get your entertainment center already fit in here by the builder, that the builder has already given. So you have storages given here also in the entertainment center. So there's 1, 2, 3, 4 drawers given here, plus your outlet for the television, and you have wardrobes this side. So a couple of wardrobes given in this bedroom. Really nice lamp. I really like this lamp. Your split air conditioner and the attached washroom. So over this side you get your wash basin, your vanity space, and you have a wardrobe here as well just as you enter. So there's plenty of storage space given here also, and you get a shower cubicle over here. Good amount of space in here, rain shower above, and your sitting area, and there's the WC. This is also connected to the backside balcony, and you get a washing area here also. So there's good amount of space over here as well in this balcony. It is connected to the master bedroom also. Let's see the master bedroom right at the end. Again, a similar kind of theme has been used in this bedroom also. If I compare it to the other rooms, you must have seen it was a little more of beige and cream color was used. This is more based on a greyish theme, this master bedroom. I really like the fall ceiling work, a little different than the other rooms. And really nice wall work has been done here. This is where your backside of the bed will come, because there's the side table switches that the builder has given here. Really nice wall work done over that side. Your split A conditioner, plus you have your washroom, attached washroom given here. So just as you enter, you get your wardrobes all along this side. So there's like 3 to 4 wardrobes given here with plenty of storage, the automatic lightings as well. So you have plenty of storage behind you, behind this gate also. And here's your wash basin, your vanity area and the mirror with your WC. And this is the shower area that comes with the sliding door. Again, there's a ventilation window given here. So there's a window also that the builder has given for ventilation with mosquito net. So there's a grill for protection already given by the builder, and this is the backside balcony that we already saw. Thank you for watching the video. I hope you like this property as well, and you are looking forward to more videos of ours, and you have been watching our previous videos also. And if you have any query, or if you are looking for something in South Delhi at the moment, if you are looking for a property, new construction, resale property, any kind of property you are looking for, you can contact us. Our number is in the description. And if I tell you a little about this property, it is a little different to other 300 properties, 300 size properties, because this area that you're seeing where I am right now, it is a little more spacious compared to other 300 size properties. And because you get plenty of room here, plenty of space here that the builder has provided. So it is one of the main reasons that this property stands out from other properties. I hope you like this property. If you have a query regarding this property, if you want to schedule a visit for this property, you can contact us, and thank you so much.